China is falling apart economically, and we need to understand its potential impact on our economy and the global economy. The Chinese stock market had gone completely and totally berserk, amassing $7 trillion in value over the course of the last year. And now it's crashing back to earth. The stocks were at an average value, average price of 70 times earnings, whereas before they were 30 times earnings when this bubble started 1 year ago. And underscoring this is the Chinese economy, which is basically based on endless production to produce endless employment with no demand. You have 70 or 80 million vacant apartments in China. You have highways that go to nowhere, railways that go to nowhere, airport strips that nobody uses, entire ghost cities that have been built. In Germany, they used to say, after East Germany collapsed, there was so much construction going on, we're building a bridge today, tomorrow we'll build the river. And you have that going on in China, just a massive public works project to keep the public satiated and satisfied. But if the Chinese stock market crashes, as it looks like it is, despite the infusion of trillions of dollars of government stimulus, you would have 258 million Chinese, the total that own stock in the Chinese market, watching their wealth just completely evaporate. And the effect on the regime could be enormous. The effect on its stability could be enormous. Let's remember that essentially the economic slowdowns that afflicted us after the 1990s were really initially caused by the collapse of the Japanese stock market and the real estate bubble. And the Japanese woes overshadowed a lot of the global economy. Now with China, the second largest economy in the world, collapsing, this could be very, very serious. And the Wall Street pundits who write it off as insignificant are just wrong. They point out, for example, that 65% of Americans have money in the stock market directly or through their 401ks or whatever, and that only 25% of Chinese do. But 25% is 258 million people who have accounts in the stock market. And if that market is going to crash and going to absolutely obliterate their life savings, that's going to have a very destructive effect on the economic and the political stability of China. Thanks for watching.